Yo, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with the first video with the game on the channel. So I don't know I said that or not, but obviously we'll try to do or add as much as possible referrals which I kind of enjoy or I will be using, or is going to be something with AI, gaming, you name it, right? Programs, tools and such. So I have the premium account on the Telegram. So I was just searching through what's funny over there, and I just came across this game, and it's called Boinkers. So basically, you just mining the shitcoin. You're just mining the shitcoin, and basically, yeah, it's just for killing time. It sounds, I mean, it seems like it's fun, because you can just run this in browser, and you will have the ref link below. I'm not really telling you to play this or install. Or actually, you don't need to install. You can just use on the browser, or you can use on Telegram. What I'm trying to tell is just I will just try to genuinely add more stuff to support me from some referrals, because at the end of the day, if you will be enjoying the game and you are going to buy something, which I'm not telling you to buy anything, I don't give a fuck. You don't need to play this game at all. I'm just simply trying to tell like I will get something from it. So let's just jump to it. So we are having like a building, we are having like a drop. So building, we're just building our character to make it more shit per hour. But basically, ultimate goal of this game is just to gather as much shitcoin to fly to the moon. So I assume that character at some point will be able to fly to the moon, but I have no idea. So we can use the money to build the character to make more shit, but if we don't have the money, we need to spin the machine, which I already done almost 20 spins, like 5 spins per hour. So we're sort of making some money here. Then we have the drop bank, which I have no idea what's that, but obviously we can click the icon and that's gonna explain to us. Collect shed coins as points for drop, then all to the moon to farm faster. Boink will be launching on tone. Okay, so you have the profit per hour. Enter altar, some altar, we can enter that. We can connect the wallet actually, so we can actually make the money. I'm not into cryptocurrency at all. I never was like big fan of it, and I never done anything with it. But what I'm trying to say, I will check this. I mean, not right now, obviously, but I will check that. I will dive into this, and I will let you know later on in the future, maybe next week, like I actually can make some cryptocurrency from it, whatever. Because it seems like on the Telegram, I just jump across 3 games. It's like, I didn't even know you actually making the crypto, but actually you can connect the wallet. So what I'm trying to say, I will try to research that, and I'm just gonna share with you my thoughts. At the end of the day, it's a game, and I'm the gamer myself, so I don't mind to spend even like half an hour to play daily before the bed or whatever. Or like, let's say I'm gonna play 5 games, 5 minutes daily. So don't really wanna spend much time like I used to. I used to play from 12 to 14, even 16 hours Diablo, and obviously that was my passion, but I just want to do something else, which is learning AI, and this is my passion right now, to just learn AI. But like I said, at the end of the day, playing some games, why not? We'll see if we can actually make some coins, but the thing is, because I'm not familiar with the crypto, I don't even know what's that Boink coin, shit coin, whatever it is. I just wonder that actually you can make some money from it. So if you're actually familiar with that, you can let me know in the comment section below. Like, actually you can make the money. Like, I'm in the situation right now, like I'm unemployed and actually struggling with the money. So I just wonder if I will be playing, let's say, half an hour this game per day, can I earn something from it? Like, because I mean, I know I need to do that. I need to be the one who telling you that, but like, fuck it. I'm just diving into everything right now. I just want to share my thoughts. So right now I have no idea, but I will learn, and then I will tell you in some other movie. In this movie, I just want to play the game basically. So we have a friends here. We can add the friends, and that's gonna be the ref link. So if you want to be my friend in with the shitty game, you can join me. And we can dig shit together or whatever. And then we have some earn button, so we can go. Actually, I have the X account, Twitter, if you don't have it. I'm not telling you to do this, but I will do this definitely, because why not? At the end of the day, I'm using X account anyway, so I just gonna boost my account. Shit account with some virtual coins to be able to build more. Can I actually build something? Upgrade? Okay. 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 And he just... Fuck me. Rave beauty? What the fuck? Neil is on the moon. Mine. 6 hours. Collect. Complete, okay. Alright, okay. So we don't have enough gold, which means we need to spin the slot. And... Someone who the fuck behind us, I don't know, like... what they take in on daily basis. What mushrooms? Yeah, it will be like super short game. It's like 6 minutes. I think we're just going to spend here. Like I am going to spend here just around 10 minutes. I don't really see. Oh, I want to say like I don't really see spending more time because we are going to almost done with our spins. But seems like the game is sort of designed to sort of hook you a bit. But at the end of the day, like I said, I'm not really trying to spend much time unless playing some other games for like 10-15 minutes. I don't mind. So I will probably allocate an hour from my daily routine to play the games and to show you what's going on. So I can invite a friend. So obviously, and then we have something like to buy whatever it is. I think the reason behind this is to actually spending money on it so you can actually earn a cryptocurrency. So that kind of makes sense if somebody is into cryptocurrency. Like I said, I will try to check that, like research, and let you know later on. Let you know later on you can actually make something from it. But, out of gold, you're poor. Yeah, no, I'm poor. They like sort of forcing you to buy something, but I'm not going to buy anything here. Yeah, I'm out of the gold. And that's gonna be it for now. So spent around 8 minutes. That's great. I will try to connect. Well, I need to press the create the wallet and see there's actually points to create any sort of wallet, because at the end of the day I assume that's gonna be like super small amount, and then I don't think so it's worth it. But that's what I'm asking you. If you know anything about this game, you can let me know in the comment section below. It's actually worth it to even play half an hour per day in it, and you can make something from it, because obviously if you can make money from it, then that's a good thing. But you don't really want to play few hours daily to have, I don't know, a few dollars at the end of the month or whatever it is. Okie dokie, thank you much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Obviously if you wanna play shitty game, you have the ref link below to access the game, and there will be a ref link as well to add me as a friend within that game. Okie dokie, take care and bye for now.